Hello all, welcome to the series Learn Python Programming from Scratch. In this course, we have a few requirements. So basically you need a computer, access to the internet, an interest in learning Python, and basic math knowledge like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and knowledge of types of numbers such as integers and decimal numbers, and exponentiation, etc. So who is this course for? So people who are interested in programming and do not have any prior programming experience, and newer Python programmers who need a refresher on Python, students taking a Python class in college or school who want a supplementary learning resource, anyone else who is interested in learning Python. So this course is not for experienced Python programmers. So if you are already having experience in Python and if you want to upgrade yourself, this course is not suitable for you. So what you will learn? You will learn how to program fluently in Python, use Visual Studio Code to write Python programs, understand computer science concepts such as flow control and functions. So topics covered during this course. So we'll teach you how to install Python and Visual Studio Code, some Python basics, strings involved in Python, functions, flow control. So flow control is nothing but if else conditions and comparison between variables. Loops, like if you remember in C, C++ you have this for loop and while loop. So these similar things. Lists, dictionaries, tuples and sets. So these four are kind of, so compare this to something similar to arrays in Java or C, C++. So these are not exactly arrays, but you can just compare that these four to arrays. So these are more updated version of arrays. So we'll learn in detail what these four are and how to use this. So Python installation. So we need to go to this particular website in your favorite browser. So to install Python, you need to go to this website. So before installing, you can verify in your system if Python is already installed. So how do you do that? You can just open command prompt. So if you open this, click on command prompt, this you will see this window and directly type Python. So if you are getting this similar message, say Python the version, and you can getting this information, that means Python is already installed. Suppose if you are not getting this something similar like this, you do not have Python installed in your system. So you can now directly go to this particular website, and if you see, as on today, the latest version is 3.13.1. So you can click on this download button and you will see something getting downloaded at the top right. So this takes some time, and so once this is downloaded, you can go to your download section and you can see a .exe file as you see here. So you'll see some .exe file which is of 27.4 MB, and you can just click on that and you'll see this window open. And now you can just click on install now. So it will ask for this, you can click on yes and it will start installation. So it will take some time for initializing and installing this particular setup. So after you click on that install, you will get the Python automatically installed. So to verify if Python is installed or not, you can just go to Windows and just type Python. And if you see here, you'll see some windows like Python 3.11. So in my system, I have installed 3.11, and you have some idle. So idle is a browser or a IDE which is default when you download Python. This IDE is already installed by default. So if you try to open this, this is what you see. So this is the window you see, and if you just click 1 + 1, you'll see 2, and just write simple basic hello world. So you can see that it is returning hello world. So this is a simple IDE where you can code any Python program. Okay, so now this is there, and also one more thing, you can simply write Python here, and you can just click on this app, whatever you find, and here also you can just write 1 + 1, you'll get 2, and here type any hello world, and this will give you the same hello world. So in this way you will install Python. So if you are facing any issues in the installation of Python, you can post in the comment section. I will try to help you. So in this way you can install Python and verify if Python is installed properly or not. So now let's see how to install Visual Studio Code. So this is the website code.visualstudio.com/download. So copy this website and search in your favorite browser. So you can find both installation of this Visual Studio Code and Python in this description of this video. You can directly use those links to download. So when you click on the link I have provided, you can see this particular page opening. So you can click on Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using Windows, or if you are using Mac, you can click on this. So for my system I'm using Windows, so I'll just simply click on this, and automatically a link will be so download will start. So here in the meanwhile, this is the documentation of Visual Studio Code. So when you go here, you can see all other details like top extensions like Python, C, C++, and GitHub Copilot, and so you can code in any language, version controls of if you want to commit your code to Git or GitHub, you can use this. Visual Studio Code will help you. And debug also, you can place debuggers in your code and debug the code. So and testing as well, and many more. So if you have time, just go through this, and this will be helpful. So this is a very big one, so it's around 100 MB. So once downloaded, click on the setup, and you will see this window. So you can just scroll down till the end and just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. So this one you select these options as well, and if you want a desktop icon, you can click, else no. So click on next, and yeah, this is click OK. So in my system it is already installed, so I will not click install. So you can just click install, and Visual Studio will be ready. So once you download and install Visual Studio Code and try to open the IDE, so this is the window you will see. So you can click on file, you can click on new text file or new file or whatever, and edit, select and all. So these all tabs you see. So this is Explorer, and if you want to search, you can use this search, and source control. If you want to connect to any of your repository, you can connect here, or you can clone your repository to your local. And this is run and debug, and these are some extensions which you can install on your need. So when we learn more in Python and try to do some hands-on, we'll understand how to create a Python file and how to debug it more in the coming videos. So that's it from today's video. So we have learned how to install Python and how to install Visual Studio Code. So before watching the next video, make sure that you have this both installed, so that moving on, the videos will be easy to understand, and you can also side by side practice your Python code. So if you are watching our videos for the first time, make sure you click on the like button and also click on subscribe button, so that I will post more videos. So whatever I have discussed, like the topics which I have mentioned earlier, so those all I'll make a series of videos, and this entire Python programming, I'll make sure that this is a playlist. So just one request is this: if you like this, please share it to all your friends and people who are willing to learn Python, so that I'll get more reach for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.